Okay, here we have addition of fractions. So that's 3/4 and 3/5. Now let's see how we can add them together. We find our common denominator. That's 4 and that's 20. 20 is a number that 4 and 5 both get into. And then we say 4 into 20. 4 into 20, that gives us 5. 5 times 3, that's 15. 4, 5. 5 into 20, that's 4. 4 times 3, that's 12. Then we add, what do we get? We're 15 plus 12. That gives us, that's a 7. That's 27 over 20. And then, okay, now it's subtraction. You pretty much do the same thing. You look for the common denominator, which is going to be 20. Now, 4 into 20, that's 5. 5 times 3, that's 15. 5 into 20, that's 4 times 3, that's 12. Now you subtract, you get your answer, which is going to be 3 over 20. Now division is a bit different. You're going to have to change that division sign into a multiplication sign. But before you do that, you have to flip this side. So now you flip this. Now the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Then you go ahead to multiply across like we did before during multiplication. 3 times that, that's 15. 4 times that, that's 12. And then what's your answer? That's 1 and 3 over 12, which can be 1 and 1/4.